On Thursday, Bergwind conditions will persist in parts of the Western Cape and now also bringing extremely hot conditions to the interior of the Eastern Cape, where temperatures will soar to the upper 30s and reach the mid 30s in places along the eastern coast. So here's your forecast. This Thursday, we still have a cold front approaching the southwestern Cape. Ahead of this cold front, we are expecting northwesterly winds to blow fresh to strong over the western interior, causing Bergwinds yet again for the Western Cape and now bringing extremely hot conditions to the Eastern Cape. Another mostly dry day across the country with very patchy storms later expected in parts of the northern and the Eastern Cape. Foggy conditions along the western and southwestern coast with drizzle likely in the morning, and then into the evening we're expecting a few drops of rain along the southern coastline, but scattered showers and thunderstorms now likely over the central regions of Namibia. Northeasterly winds still blowing fresh along the eastern coastline, and then those northwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong over parts of the Karoo, with fresh winds expected over the southern interior as well as in parts of the Free State. Southwesterly winds now blowing fresh along the southern coastline, bringing cooler conditions to this region. In the Western Cape, a foggy start to your Thursday along the western coast and southwestern coast, with this onshore flow of air bringing much cooler conditions to the coastal regions but remaining quite warm over the interior of the Western Cape. Northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong over parts of the Karoo and the Little Karoo, with temperatures reaching the upper 30s, 38 the afternoon in KwaZulu-Natal and Somerset East, and extremely high fire dangers in place. Bergwind conditions warming up the interior of the Eastern Cape with 36 in Bishu and Mthatha and 35 the afternoon in East London. It will be extremely hot. In KwaZulu-Natal, warmer conditions with temperatures in the lower to mid 30s across the province, 36 in Pietermaritzburg, 34 in Richards Bay, and northeasterly winds still blowing fresh along the coast. A sunny and warm afternoon over the Highveld with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and temperatures in the mid 30s in the Kruger National Park with 34 in Skukuza. Sunny and dry conditions persists in Limpopo. It's warmer with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and reaching 30 the afternoon in Tambazimbi and Lephalale. In Northwest, we are expecting a sunny and warm afternoon, temperatures in the upper 20s and reaching 30 the afternoon in Vryburg and Tahoe. Then in the Northern Cape, northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong, especially in parts of the Karoo. Temperatures yet again above 30 in most regions with a high fire danger in place, 33 in Carnarvon and R, with a very slight chance of a quick thunderstorm likely over the central regions. In the Free State, becoming windy into the afternoon over the southern regions, warmer conditions expected across the province with 29 in Bloemfontein and 27 in Bethlehem. A sunny and warmer afternoon in Gauteng with 25 in Johannesburg and 27 in Pretoria. Then on Friday, we're expecting another windy afternoon over parts of the Karoo, much cooler now in the southwest with isolated showers and thunderstorms likely to move down in a band from Namibia over parts of the Cape provinces and reaching part of the coastline of the Eastern Cape. Cooler conditions now in KwaZulu-Natal, but a sunny and warmer afternoon in the northeast. Then on Saturday, much cooler conditions and rainy weather expected in the southwest, only 14 in Springbok, 18 in Cape Town. A band of showers and thunderstorms also likely to extend over the central part of the country. Another windy afternoon along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, remaining sunny and dry in the northeast. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Thursday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.